1851 Whitehall Street in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. This is a 6-unit building that we're gonna go take a look at. It looks pretty good. Looks like we got a little bow right here. This is sagging in some. That needs some point up. Roof seems to be, excuse me. Roof seems to be doing okay. Brick and mortar looking in pretty good shape as well. Units separately metered. We like to see that. I'll use some paint on the steps, but that's pretty normal. Fire escape steps here. Another unit down in here. Got some trash. Overall, the building looks to be in pretty good shape. Seems like they're doing some work next door. Oh yeah. That's a big fire damage place. No power there, so they have to bring their own generator. The building itself looks to be in phenomenal condition. Got some vines and stuff to take care of, but nothing major. And we got Pennsylvania's finest real estate agent right there, Mr. Jose Montano.
Battery will get you everywhere.
If you didn't catch that, he said literally will get you everywhere. He's a good man. Yes, he's my agent, but he puts up with me and we've become really good friends, so he's telling me around this stuff. Alright, so we got unit 1B here. Smell off my boots. Oh, this is nice. Radiators up top. I've never seen that before, and I like it.
Okay.
Easiest way to tell if there's a leak.
Okay.
Open. Good living space, good dining space, good kitchen, good storage. And this is our bedroom. 4 feet, closet. Oh, they got fancy here. That's pretty. Entering unit 2 on the main floor now. Here, lots of natural light. Big radiator. Kitchen. Decent space. Good size for what it is. Clean. Ceiling issue there. And it's dripping, so we got an active leak in here somewhere. Oh yeah. Big pile of water right there. Wonder if that's radiator or. Unit 3. The heat is definitely cranking in here. I hear it. Got some water issues up there. This nice room. Heat definitely works in here. It's actually a really good sized closet. Nice job in here. And we definitely got some roof issues. We got bolts there, another one there, and it's already fallen out there. I need to turn that thing down or something. We came, we saw, we conquered. That place was really good. Burger Yum. Getting ready to head home from Harrisburg here. I got to hang out with my man Jose. Love that guy. I think we had a really good appraisal. Checked out another multifamily and another single family, kind of a duplex situation that may work out. So, good trip to Harrisburg. Time to head home.